Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of coordination chemistry, today we will see isomerism in complex compounds. You know what are isomers? Isomers are complex compounds with same chemical composition but different in structures, different in orientations, and different in arrangement of ligands or arrangement of atoms or group of atoms in a space is said to be isomers, and phenomena is said to be isomerism. Here we are dealing with isomerism in case of complex compounds. There are two types: structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Now remember, structural isomerism, complex compounds with same chemical composition but different in structural formulae, structural arrangement of atoms or group of atoms. That is structural isomerism. And what is stereoisomerism? And orientation of atoms or group of atoms is different in available space. Again, there is a classification of stereoisomerism, geometrical isomerism, and optical isomerism. Second one is optical isomerism. In structural isomerism, again there is a classification, types of structural isomers. Here we are dealing with about complex compound and isomerism in complex compounds. Classification: structural isomers and stereoisomers. What are structural isomers? And a complex compounds with same chemical composition but different in structural arrangement of atoms or group of atoms. Here structural arrangement of ligands is different. So here number one, structural isomerism. In structural isomerism, types are ionization isomerism. Second one is hydrate isomerism. Third one is linkage isomerism. Fourth one is ligand isomerism. Fifth one, coordination isomerism. Sixth one, position coordination isomerism. And the seventh one is a polymerization isomerism. Actually, polymerization isomerism is not the correct type of structural isomerism. It depends on what polymerization of ligands, polymerization of metal or metal ion in multiple numbers. That is why it is said to be polymerization isomerism. We'll see in detail one by one. So today first I will explain about ionization isomerism. इसमें एक्चुअली होता क्या है? इन स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म क्या होता है? कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड का केमिकल कंपोजिशन सेम होता है लेकिन स्ट्रक्चरल अरेंजमेंट अलग होती है, यानी स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट होता है. मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला सेम होता है, स्ट्रक्चरल अरेंजमेंट डिफरेंट होती है. So that type of isomerism is said to be what? Ionization isomerism, structural isomerism. So first type, ionization isomerism. What happens in ionization isomerism? Now we'll see about this. In case of ionization isomerisms and complex compounds with same chemical composition, complex compounds with same chemical composition, but different in ions in aqueous medium, इसका केमिकल कंपोजिशन सेम होता है एंड सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला बट डिफरेंट इन आयंस इन एक्वियस मीडियम. After ionization, ions are different, but same chemical composition. That is why आयोनाइजेशन आइसोमेरिज्म. इसमें चेंज क्या होता है? प्राइमरी वैलेंसी कन्वर्ट्स इनटू सेकेंडरी. प्राइमरी वैलेंसी कन्वर्ट्स इनटू secondary valencies. In Werner's theory, we have seen what is the primary valency and what is secondary valency. Primary valency is ionizable, while secondary valency is non-ionizable. इसमें होता क्या है? प्राइमरी वैलेंसी सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी में कन्वर्ट होती है और सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी प्राइमरी वैलेंसी में, यानी एक्सचेंज बिटवीन प्राइमरी वैलेंसी एंड सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी. Here structural, that is complex compounds with same chemical composition but different in ions. Example, इसका example दूंगा मैं. I will take example that is complex of cobalt CONH3 5 SO4Cl. ये complex है. This is ionic complex. ये ionic complex है. इसमें complex cation है. Here it is a Cl minus and here it is a plus. When this complex is taken in aqueous medium, इसका आयोनाइजेशन क्या होगा? ये कैटायनिक, एक कैटायन बनेगा और ए अनायन, दैट इज Cl minus aqueous. In this complex, an aqueous solution of this complex, IUP is the name of this pentaamine sulfato cobalt 3 chloride. An aqueous solution of this complex will give positive taste of Cl minus. It gives a positive taste of Cl minus. And when this complex is treated with silver nitrate, there is a formation of precipitation of silver chloride. And here it gives a positive taste for Cl minus. Here a primary valency is Cl minus. ये primary valency है. ये प्राइमरी वैलेंसी है. आयोनाइजेशन आइसोमेरिज्म में होता क्या है? प्राइमरी वैलेंसी सेकेंडरी में कन्वर्ट होती है और सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी प्राइमरी वैलेंसी में कन्वर्ट होती है. सो हियर इट इज अ प्राइमरी वैलेंसी. नाउ आई विल टेक अनदर कॉम्प्लेक्स CONH3 5 ClSO4 2 minus. This is another example. What is ionization of this in aqueous medium? Suppose dissolved in aqueous medium in water. Here it is formation of cation like this. And here SO4 2 minus aqueous. यानी aqueous solution of second complex gives a positive taste for sulfate ion. Positive taste of sulfate ion. Here SO4 2 minus is a primary valency. Here Cl minus is secondary valency. In the first complex, Cl minus is a primary valency and sulfate is a secondary valency. In a second complex, sulfate is a primary valency and Cl minus is a primary valency. And if there is an interconversion, secondary into primary and a primary into secondary. First complex compound in aqueous solution of this complex gives a positive taste for Cl minus and the second complex gives a positive taste for what? SO4 2 minus. Chemical composition same है. इसमें एक कोबाल्ट है, एक कोबाल्ट है, 5 अमोनिया, 5 अमोनिया, 1 SO4 2 minus, 1 SO4 2 minus, 1 Cl minus, 1 Cl minus. Chemical composition same. There is no change in chemical composition. And remember, when there is a change in chemical composition, that is not isomerism. That is not example of isomers. So here chemical composition is same. But what is the difference? Here a difference in what ions? These complexes are different in ions. Here ionization, after ionization, formation of Cl minus and separation of Cl minus. Here separation of SO4 2 minus, and ions are different. That is why relation between these two. Yes, ionization isomers. Example number 2, I will take second example of this. This is very interesting. Just remember that is the primary valency converts into secondary and secondary valency converts into primary. Ions are different. Ions are different. I will take complex of chromium Cr, NH3, 5, NO2, CO3. IUPAC name of this pentamine, nitrito N, chromium 3, carbonate. Here CO3. Here it is a primary valency. इसमें प्राइमरी वैलेंसी कार्बोनेट है, ये प्राइमरी वैलेंसी. This is a primary valency. And here are the secondary valencies 5 ammonia and NO2 minus 1, NO2 minus, these are secondary valencies. What is ionization of this? When this complex is taken in aqueous medium, ionization of this and separation of carbonate ion. Here it is carbonate and 2 minus, so here it will be 2 plus aqueous and CO3 2 minus aqueous. And aqueous solution of this complex gives a positive test for what? CO3 2 minus. इसकी positive test देगा ये CO3 2 minus. Now I will take complex of chromium again CrNH3 5, but here I will take CO3. Now here it is ligand and NO2 minus. Aqueous solution of this is a cation and NO2 minus, this is anion. And aqueous solution of this complex gives positive test for what? NO2 minus. Here ion is NO2 minus, here it is CO3 2 minus. Here primary valency is a carbonate, that is CO3 2 minus. Here primary valency is NO2 minus. This is the primary valency. अब ये primary valency has been converted into secondary valency, and secondary into what? Primary. And primary valency converts into secondary and vice versa. So complex compounds with same chemical composition but different in ions. Different in ions. So what is the relation between these two complexes? These two are what? Ionization isomers. Ionization isomers. And phenomena is said to be what? Ionization isomerism. So remember, complex compounds with same chemical composition but different in ions in aqueous medium said to be what? Ionization isomers. If in doubt, you can put your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. If you like this video, subscribe it, share it with your friends, isn't it? Thank you.